Good morning, students. Welcome to chemistry online class. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So today we are going to discuss first chemistry wave properties. Wave properties. Already we discussed in previous class what is electromagnetic wave or what is electromagnetic radiation. Now we are going to discuss wave properties. Electromagnetic radiation having some properties. Why? Because light is travel in the form of electromagnetic radiation. Right? Light is travel in the form of wave. Wave which having electric and magnetic fields which are perpendicular to each other. That wave having some properties. Today we are going to discuss wave properties. The first one is nothing but velocity of light. Velocity of light. This is denoted by letter C. Velocity of light. What is velocity of light means? The electromagnetic wave traveled in the distance traveled by electromagnetic wave in 1 second is called velocity of light. All electromagnetic radiations travel same speed. That is nothing but a velocity of light c. The electromagnetic wave, the distance traveled by electromagnetic wave the distance traveled by electromagnetic wave in 1 second is called velocity of light, which is denoted by letter C. C have a constant value. It is a 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. This is equal to 3 into 10 power 10 centimeter per second. This is the velocity of a light value. What I mean to say, in 1 second light travels this much of a distance. That is nothing but velocity of a light. This is in 1 second. Next, second one is nothing but a wavelength. This is denoted by lambda. Wavelength. If you take wave is traveling like this, okay, means which having up and downs, like this. The ups are called crests, crests, crests. The downs are called troughs, troughs. Now lambda is defined as the distance between the any two successive crests or any two successive troughs is nothing but a lambda, that is nothing but a wavelength. The distance between, it is defined as a, it is a crest. It is a crest. I am taking the distance between these two crests. It is a trough. It is a trough. I am taking the distance between these two troughs. What I mean to say, it is defined as the distance between any two successive crests, any two successive crests or troughs the distance between any two successive crests or troughs is called wavelength. Wavelength is denoted by lambda. Wavelength is denoted by lambda. Lambda equal to c, nu equal to c by lambda. Lambda equal to c by nu. C by nu. C is nothing but velocity of light. Lambda is nothing but a wavelength. So nu is nothing but a frequency. So it is a frequency. It is a frequency. It is a velocity. It is a wavelength. Wavelength. Okay. Now units for wavelength. Units. How the wavelength is measured is nothing but a units for wavelength. So how the wavelength is measured means in centimeters, meters, nanometers, angstrom units. Centimeters, meters, nanometers, angstrom units. Okay. See here, you have to know 1 angstrom unit equal to 10 power minus 10 meters. This is equal to 10 power minus 8 centimeters. Okay, conversation. Angstrom units into meters into centimeters. Then 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meters. This is equal to 10 power minus 7 centimeters. Conversation. Then 1 nanometer is equal to 10 angstrom units. 10 angstrom units. 1 picometer. 1 picometer equal to 10 power minus 12 meters. This is equal to 10 power minus 10 centimeters. Centimeters. PM is nothing but picometers. NM is nothing but nanometers. A power 0 is nothing but angstrom units. These are the units for lambda. For lambda. Next, one more property, wave property we are going to discuss. That is nothing but a frequency. That is nothing but a third one, frequency. Nu. Frequency is nothing but a nu or a V or a V. Frequency. So what is frequency means? The number of waves that passed from a given point in 1 second. The number of waves that passed or that passing from a given point in 1 second. It is the wave. If you take a particular point on the wave anywhere, so from that particular point in 1 second, how many waves are passing? That is nothing but a frequency. That is nothing but a frequency. Okay. The number of waves that passed from a given point, the number of waves passed from a given point in 1 second, is called nu. So mathematical form, nu equal to c by lambda, means nu is directly proportional to, inversely proportional to, nu is inversely proportional to 1 by lambda. If you want to remove this proportionality, you have to keep a constant. Then nu equal to c by lambda. Nu is nothing but frequency. It is nothing but a frequency. Then c is nothing but a velocity. This is nothing but a wavelength. This is okay. See here. Then we may converse. It can be right into nu equal to c by lambda, nu equal to c into 1 by lambda. In the place of 1 by lambda, you may write nu bar equal to 1 by lambda, nu bar equal to 1 by lambda, then nu equal to c into nu bar. It is nothing but a wave number. Okay. Then now we are going to discuss one more property. So before we are going to discuss one more property, you have to know units for nu. Units is equal to second minus 1 comma hertz comma CPS. CPS is equal to cycles per second. Cycles per second. These are the units for nu. So CPS is nothing but a second minus 1 hertz, or this is the way. Now we are going to discuss the fourth wave property is nothing but a wave number. It is a nu bar. Then what is a wave number means? This is the number of waves that passed from a given point in 1 second. This is a number of waves present in 1 unit distance. The number of waves the number of waves present in 1 unit distance. In 1 unit means centimeter or millimeter or meter. 1 unit waves present in 1 unit distance. The number of waves present in 1 unit distance is called wave number. Wave number nu bar equal to 1 by lambda. Nu bar equal to 1 by lambda. So here units for wave number centimeter minus 1, meter minus 1, comma centimeter minus 1, meter minus 1, nanometer minus 1, like that. These are the wave properties. How many wave properties we have? Velocity of light, wave frequency, wave length, wave number. Next, amplitude. Next, we have to discuss about amplitude. Amplitude. Then next, fifth one is called amplitude. It is denoted by A. What is amplitude means? If you take, it is the wave which contains crest, trough, crest, trough, like this. Okay. Which contains this is a crest and it is nothing but a so crest, trough, crest, trough. So the height of the crest or it is amplitude, the depth of the trough is called amplitude. The height of the crest, the height of the crest or the depth of the trough is called amplitude. Okay, so these are nothing but wave properties. These are nothing but wave properties. Okay, next we are going to discuss electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum. Then what is electromagnetic spectrum means? What is electromagnetic spectrum means The spectrum which contains different radiations in increasing order of wavelengths or a decreasing order of frequencies are called electromagnetic spectrum. The spectrum which contains different radiations, the spectrum contains a different electromagnetic radiations, which contains different electromagnetic radiations. The spectrum which contains different electromagnetic radiations, increasing order of their wavelengths, increasing order of their wavelengths, lambda, or decreasing order of increasing order of their wavelengths or decreasing of order of their frequencies. Decreasing order of their frequencies is called electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum contains gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, visible rays, infrared rays, microwave, radio, long radio, like that. Okay. So here there is no time. We will constitute electromagnetic spectrum tomorrow. Okay. So electromagnetic spectrum means the spectrum contains different electromagnetic radiations are arranged. Different electromagnetic radiations are arranged. Here you have to write are arranged. Different electromagnetic radiations are arranged, increasing order of their wavelengths or decreasing order of their frequencies are called electromagnetic spectrum. Okay. We have to constitute electromagnetic spectrum. Okay. Tomorrow we will construct electromagnetic spectrum. So this is the definition of electromagnetic spectrum. Then see here we will constitute here I am taking frequency, here I am taking lambda. So here 10 power 0, 10 square, 10 power 4, 10 power 6, 10 power 8, 10 power 10, 10 power 12, 10 power 14, 10 power 16, 10 power 18, 10 power 20, 10 power 22, 10 power 24, which is electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, then here I am taking lambda 10 power 8, 10 power 6, 10 power 4, 10 power square, 10 square, 10 power 0, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 8, 10 power minus 10, 10 power minus 12, 10 power minus 14, 10 power minus 16. Okay, here nu is in increasing order, lambda is in decreasing order. If you take this side, nu is in decreasing order, lambda is in increasing order. Okay, up to, so 10 power 19 means here up to 10 power 19 gamma rays are present. 10 power 19. Next 10 power 17. 10 power 17 X-rays. 10 power 17 X-rays. X-rays are present. 10 power 17 to this between 10 power 15. 10 power 15. It is nothing but visible. It is nothing but visible. It is UV. Next 11 up to 11. So here up to here IR, UV radiations, visible and infrared radiations are present. Next 11 to 9. So 11 to 9, 9 to 5. So here up to 9 microwaves are present. Up to 5 radio waves. These are two types. It is FM, it is a AM. FM is nothing but a frequency modulator, AM is nothing but a amplitude modulator. Then here long radio waves. Long radio waves. These are radio waves, these are long radio waves. This is a electromagnetic spectrum. Here a small region which is visible. It is visible. It is nothing but a V, I, B, G, Y, O, R, picture. The wavelength is 400 nanometers to 750 nanometers. This much of radiation only we can see with our naked eye. Remaining radiations we can't see. We may absorb with help of a special instruments. So this is nothing but electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum which contains gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, visible, infrared, microwaves, radio waves, long radio waves. So it is electromagnetic spectrum which contains different electromagnetic radiations are arranged in increasing order of their wavelengths or decreasing order of their frequencies. So here nu is inversely proportional to lambda. Nu is inversely proportional to lambda. Okay. So this is electromagnetic spectrum. So this suggests that light have wave nature. This suggests that light have wave nature. Okay, thank you.